Hi YouTubers, my name is Vinayak Soni and today I will be showing you how to update your Windows 10 to the latest version of Windows which is launched on 2nd of August 2016, the Windows 10 anniversary update. So let's follow my steps. So open your settings. You can go from here by clicking here, or you can also go from the notification menu and then click on all settings, then click on update and security. As you can see here, when I click on check for updates, it's not showing the latest updates here. So if some systems it is showing and some system it's not, so there is a second option also for updating the Windows 10 to the latest version, anniversary version. So open your web browser. I will be putting this web page link into my description down below so that you can access this page. So scroll down and you will find the get the anniversary update now. So click here and a program will be downloaded. I have already downloaded that. So this program will be downloaded. Then click on yes. Now it will show you that it says the PC is running on the version 10.586 and the latest version is 14.393. So I will be clicking on update now. It will be checking for the latest files and the device compatibility. It will take some time based on your system performance or internet connection. Both may affect this process. Make sure you have connected to your internet. Okay, so it says we will start downloading Windows 10 in a moment. CPU is okay, memory is okay, and disk space is also okay. So as you can see here, it is automatically start downloading the files and it says downloading Windows 10 update, please wait, percent complete. And it says this will take a while, you can keep working. So it will not affect your working. Your files will be right where you left them. So when we are updating this, our files will not be affected. You can choose when to start your update. So this means that we can set the time for installation of the new Windows, update of the new Windows. And here it says it's easy to go back if you don't like. So we have to update our Windows, so we will not doing this. And let's see after the downloading has downloaded. So I will be first fast forwarding this video, so I will be coming back in few minutes. Guys, as you can see here, update for my Windows 10 is now completing. It's 98% only and it is completing very fastly. It's 99 now. Now it says verify downloading. Download, please wait. Now it's verifying the download. Hi guys, as you can see I have updated my Windows successfully. Within this time some uh, changes occurs. So what happens when the system is shut down, I will be showing you. When the system is shut down, it was restarted and one Windows appeared which look like this, and this process is continues from 0 to 100%. And after that the system started several times, and these update, and then a new window appear when this this window was 100% completed. Your your lock screen will come, and it is having some changes, some new improvements, UI improvements are there, and the lock screen is also improved now. It is managed, well managed, and it looks graphically very nice. And after that this window has appeared which says these updates help you to protect in an online world. And after that again a window which comes which says go to start, and then click on get started app to see what's new in the this update. And then one new window appears which says making sure your apps are good to go, so we will be testing in future. And it says we will be ready soon. Then after that window 2 or 3 seconds after that your desktop window will appear, and I found some new UI changes which is the start menu changes. Here you can see it is now changed, and this one is also changed. And I have experienced UI interface changes. Many UI interface changes was there. I removed the here from the notifications from here, so sorry for that. And there are changes in the bloatwares which comes with the Windows. uh, One of them was Xbox. I have tested, and it is having some new UI, and this is also having some well managed things. So this is the new Xbox. And here is also very several new things are there which if you use you will be happy with these things. And the major update I saw in the Microsoft Edge browser, and in this now it also supports the extensions or plugins, web plugins. You can get extensions from the store now. So this is a nice feature from the update which I will be testing, and it is more protected now, and this is very much new UI changes are there, new improvements in this Cortana browser, Edge browser. And I will be also testing these after some time. So this search menu was also having some new UI changes. So this is pretty much it. I will be posting the UI changes and all the other changes which comes with this new update. So get subscribed, and please like this video if you like this, and thank you guys.